Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2009 Mercedes ML63 AMG 6.3 liter V8. It's over 500 horsepower. This vehicle cost just under $100,000 when new. The 2009 model had a facelift, so they upgraded the lights, the hood, the bumpers, the dashboard, and a number of other items, side mirrors, wheels. So the 09s to 2011s were virtually the same. Then in 12 they changed the body style. These are very collectible, fun to drive, beautiful automobile. This is Obsidion Black. It's a black metallic with a black leather interior. It has the optional 21-inch wheels on it, factory. The 20-inch wheels with the standard ones on the ML63. Xenon headlights, headlight washers. Really nice chrome. Real soft leather. These sills are lighted. We'll get a picture of it inside. Has navigation and Bluetooth. Sport steering wheel with paddle shifters if you want to shift it manually. Naturally, it has a power moonroof. Air suspension, rear climate control, really nice leather with a little bit of suede in it. Has staggered wheels, so the rear are wider than the front. Parking sensors, front and back. Does have a tow package. I don't think it's ever been used. Power tailgate. Has the cargo cover. 115-volt outlet. Four tailpipes. Factory steps, side steps. Sport steering wheel, as I mentioned before. Real nice wood trim. It's in great shape. Leather wrapped dashboard. Runs excellent, drives excellent. We looked around and there's not many of these available throughout the country. You probably have to travel for them. So there's not many in the Midwest right now. Give us a call and we'd love to tell you more about this vehicle. And thank you for your time.